Forklift. A forklift, also called lift truck, jitney, high-low, fork truck, fork hoist, and forklift truck, is a powered industrial truck used to lift and launch materials over short distances. They were originally used in the Middle Ages to wage war on castles. Excavator. Excavators are heavy construction equipment consisting of a boom, dipper or stick, bucket, and cab on a rotating platform known as the house. The house sits atop an undercarriage with tracks or wheels. A dump truck, known also as a dumping truck, dump trailer, dumper trailer, dump lorry or dumper lorry, or a dumper for short, is used for transporting materials such as dirt, gravel, or demolition waste for construction, as well as coal. Truck mixer. A concrete mixer, often colloquially called a cement mixer, is a device that homogeneously combines cement, aggregates, such as sand or gravel, and water to form concrete. Excavators are heavy construction equipment consisting of a boom, dipper or stick, bucket, and cab, on a rotating platform known as the house. Cattle truck. Livestock transportation is the movement of livestock by road, rail, ship, or air. Livestock are transported for many reasons, including slaughter, auction, breeding, livestock shows, rodeos, fairs, and grazing. A road roller, sometimes called a roller compactor, or just roller, is a compactor-type engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, or asphalt in the construction of roads and foundations. Similar rollers are used also at landfills or in agriculture. A crane is a type of machine, generally equipped with a hoist, rope, wire ropes or chains, and sheaves, that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally.